data points and these are the function values, and we have to estimate the value at 2.35. In order to solve this question, the first thing which we have to do is we have to construct the forward difference table. We have 5 data points, so I wrote 5. So these are the values. So let us generate the forward difference table first. So this minus this will be 1.06. This will be 1.19. This will be 1.31. This will be 1.44. I have already calculated this before showing it to you, so that you will this minus this 1.19 minus 1.06, then this minus this will be 0.12, and this will be 0.13. We can make further differences, so we will go with the higher order of forward difference. So this will be minus 0.01 and this will be 0.01. One is positive, one is negative, so both are different values, so we can go with the higher value as well. So this will be 0.02. So this is the forward difference table of the above question. Now what we have to do is we have to estimate the value at 2.35. If you will look closely, 2.35 comes in between these two values, between 2 and between 3. And you know, whenever we have to estimate the value using the Newton's forward difference interpolation method, we have to estimate it at the upper half of the table. So we don't have to estimate the value. We have 2 points, right? 2.35 comes in between these two values, so we have to estimate it at the above value. So therefore I would write it like this: value 2.35 lies between the interval 2 and 3. Therefore we take the value at 2. Okay, when we estimate the value at this point, that means we have to generate the Newton's formula up to third order, because इस point पे जो हमारा वैल्यू एंड होता है वो होता है थर्ड ऑर्डर पे. सो वी हैव टू डिराइव द न्यूटन्स फार्मूला और राइट द न्यूटन्स फार्मूला अप टू द थर्ड ऑर्डर. सो therefore y of x is equal to y2 plus delta y2. Why y2? Because we have to estimate it at this second point. So instead of writing y1, we have to write y2. Okay. Delta y2 times u plus delta square y2 divided by 2 u into u minus 1 plus हमें थर्ड ऑर्डर तक जाना है. सो दिस इज 3 factorial u into u minus 1 and u minus 2. Okay. So which will be equal to y2 plus delta y2 times u plus delta square y2 divided by 2 u into u minus 1 plus delta cube y2, 3 factorial is 6, u into u minus 1, u minus 2. Okay. We know that this u is basically equal to x minus x1 divided by h, isn't it? अगर आपको फॉर्मूला से याद होगा कि जो u है, जब हमने रिलेशंस यूज़ किया था, ये इसके बराबर होता है x माइनस x1 डिवाइडेड बाई h. व्हाट इज़ h? h इज़ बेसिकली द इंटरवल साइज. हमें पता ही है हम न्यूटन्स फॉरवर्ड डिफरेंस तभी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं व्हेन वी वुड बी हैविंग इक्वल spaced data points, and in this case we have an equally spaced data points and the difference is 0.25. so that means हमारा जो h है इंटरवल साइज है वो है 0.25. so we know h, therefore h is equal to 0.25. x हमें पता है जो कि हमें निकालना है, that is 2.35 and x1 is the first data point which is given to us, that is 2.0. Substituting all the values in this formula, so वहाँ से हमारा u हमें निकलेगा, u will be equal to 2.35 minus 2.0 divided by h. After simplification, u will be equal to 0.4. Now substitute this value in the above formula, we will get, what we have to find is y of 2.35 is equal to y2. देखिए हमारे पास 10.06. These are the values. This is basically y1, this is y2, this is y3, this is y4, this is y5, है ना. यहाँ से भी आप निकाल सकते हो. This is x1, this is x2, this is x3, this is x4 and this is x5, right? Okay. Plus delta y2. Delta y2 is this is 1.19 जो हमने अभी कैलकुलेट किया. तो we will simply substitute the values. 1.19 into u हमने अभी निकाला 0.4 plus delta square y2. Delta square y2 is 0.12. So this is 0.12 into 0.4 into 0.4 minus 1 plus delta cube y, this is 0.01. Okay, divided by, यहाँ पे भी है, divided by 2 divided by 6 into 0.4 into 0.4 minus 1 and into 0.4 minus 2. So after simplification, इसको जब आप प्लस माइनस करेंगे, so the value of a function y at 2.35 will be equal to 10.52. I hope you understood the first question of Newton's forward difference interpolation. Today we will do only one question. Please go home or open your notebooks. You are at home, sorry. Repeat the same question. Tomorrow we will do 2 to 3 examples so that we can understand it better. Thank you.